Take your first cord and fold it evenly in half and attach it to a piece of string with a reverse lark's head knot. Secure that down to a tabletop surface. Bring in a second cord and lay it evenly across the two cords already hanging down. Secure this cord down to your tabletop surface. Now with the two cords hanging straight down, tie them around the new cord with a double half hitch knot. After you tie the knots, I like to make sure I squeeze them together to make sure that they're laying nice and neat and centered along both cords. Then drop the other two cords to add to the cords hanging down. We'll now bring in another new cord and repeat the same process. Keep repeating the same process over and over again until you have 5 rows total. Now we're going to tie one more row of double half hitch knots, but this time we're going to do it a little bit different. We're going to split our project evenly in half. And focusing on the left side, I'm going to take the cord on the very far left and point it horizontally to the right, and then I'm going to tie 5 double half hitch knots around this leading rope. Repeat the same process on the right side. Now we're going to tie our tree trunk. So take all the cords except for the 2 in the middle out of your way. Now we're going to bring in a new cord of a different color, and we're going to fold it evenly in half and place it directly behind the 2 cords in the middle. Then, using these new cords, I'm going to tie 3 square knots in a row around the 2 cords in the middle. Now take your project up and flip it around. Now on the back side, take a hot glue gun and put a little bit of glue along the base of the project, down at the bottom. Then glue each cord up into that. Then you can take a pair of scissors and just trim off all the long ends. We're going to do the same process for the stem. Now to finish out our project, I'm going to take my cord here and tie it in a simple knot right at the base. And this is going to kind of push that reverse double half hitch knot and lock it into place so that it sits exactly how we want it to. And once that's done, we're going to take the remaining ends and tie them together up at the top in an overhand knot to form a loop for our Christmas tree to hang from. Just like that. And this is what the front side looks like, and this is what the back side will look like.